What's up, guys, and welcome to my series on how to get started in the washer and dryer business. I'm going to be doing weekly videos on how to get started in this business, tricks and tips for how to make more money in it. Please remember to subscribe because I'm going to be putting out videos on this weekly. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about cleaning and painting washers and dryer, mainly painting. As far as cleaning goes, I don't like to use anything that has bleach in it, so I think scrubbing bubbles is one of those. I mainly use LA is totally awesome, and a air compressor is definitely your friend when it comes to cleaning washers and dryers. So blowing out that little crack with a air chuck is very handy. I'll show you this air chuck too. So you can get this air chuck at Harbor Freight, and it has a little hose that comes off of it that sucks up fluid, and you can just use water for this idea. But blowing out this back area, this is always really hard to clean out. With this, it's much easier when you're sucking a little bit of water through this to clean it out with. I also like to use a grinder instead of sandpaper. It just works so much faster, and I always wear a full face shield to be safe about it. When you're painting, my wife likes to paint a whole lot. Whoever is painting, make sure you're wearing a face mask because you're doing this on a regular basis. You don't want to be breathing in paint on a regular basis. All right, so real quick on type of paint I like to use. I use Rust Oleum appliance paint. You can get this at Walmart. It's like $3 to $4 a can. I could do several washers and dryers with it, especially if I'm just doing the fronts and the tops. Basically, if the sides usually aren't too terribly bad and I don't concentrate too much on the sides, I'll just do spot treatments on the side. But if I'm doing a full paint job and it's real bad and messed up on a washer, I'm doing the front or the back, I will make sure I do the entire front. I won't just do one spot because it will show up like a sore thumb when it's done drying. So you want to do the entire area back and forth all the way to the front. On the sides, it doesn't matter so much because no one's staring at the sides, especially when you have it on display. And when they put it in place, you're not going to see the sides anyway. To do the tops, I use this plastic wrap, and I have a moving company, and I get these for free, so I'm a little spoiled. But you can get these at Harbor Freight. I think like less than 20 bucks for a decent amount of saran wrap. And probably like one of those rolls lasts forever. I can do hundreds of washer and dryers. You're just literally going around 2 times. But I find that to be the easiest way. I've tried several different ways, including putting a little piece of cardboard up, taping on the front of it, all kinds of different stuff. Just wrap it with saran wrap real quick and pulling off the end. So much easier, so much faster. Other paint tricks, the main thing on paint, especially this type, is doing one thick coat, which sounds wrong, but one thick coat of paint with this type of paint really works well. I've used other spray paints to like do trailers or any other type of metal objects, and I'll do one thin coat, let it dry, thin coat, let it dry, thin coat, let it dry. But this paint seems to work really well with one nice thicker coat of paint. So that's usually what I do. But that's it for today's video, guys. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll keep doing these videos on how to get started in the washer and dryer refurb business. But please help me out by asking me what kind of videos or telling me what kind of videos y'all would like to see, and I'll post either answer or I'll just go ahead and post another video about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions at all, put them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them.